Hello everyone, and welcome to another walk around video. Today we are at Aston Martin of Greenwich here at Miller Motorcars. My name is Justin Ashworth, I'm a sales specialist here, and today we are featuring the 2020 Aston Martin Vantage AMR, finished in jet black exterior with a pure black Alcantara and Obsidian Black leather interior. On my right hand side, we have the standard configuration 2020 Vantage fitted with the 8-speed automatic transmission. And on my left, which we'll be featuring today, is the special AMR edition 1 of 200 with a 7-speed dogleg manual gearbox. At first glance, the AMR might look pretty similar to our standard configuration Vantage, but has very few subtle styling cues and performance features that differentiate it from the standard configuration. First off, you might notice on the front of the vehicle, we have special carbon fiber bonnet blades that are unique to the AMR, and we have the entire carbon fiber lower package, which includes the lower front splitter, the side rockers, and on the rear of the car, you have an entire carbon fiber diffuser and lower bumper. You also have special to this vehicle, carbon fiber badging on the front and the rear and on the script. Another major differentiation between the standard Vantage and the AMR edition is the massive carbon ceramic brakes. On our automatic, we have cast steel iron brakes, but here we have carbon ceramic with 16.1-inch front rotors and 14.1-inch in the rear. The tailpipes are part of the exterior black collection, which includes quad pipes, black window surround, and black front mesh grille. On this particular AMR, you'll find two features that you can also find on the standard Vantage. You have paint-matched side fender infill, and you have 10-spoke forged textured black wheels. Underneath the massive bonnet of the AMR Vantage is the same 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that you'll find in our standard Vantage. The engine output of this is 503 horsepower with 461 foot-pounds of torque. It's a different torque number than the standard Vantage due to the rear differential being a limited slip versus the E-diff found in the 8-speed automatic Vantage. This also, you'll notice, is a hot V configuration designed by AMG, where the two turbos are packaged inside of the cylinder walls, creating better cooling and better heating efficiency when the engine raises the temperature. One thing that's very special about this engine configuration is the positioning. You'll notice the entire engine is packaged lower and completely behind the front axle, with the transmission housed in the rear of the vehicle, creating a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. On the interior of this 2020 Aston Martin Vantage AMR, you have a wonderful combination of Obsidian Black leather, pure black Alcantara, and a special vivid red single leather stripe down the middle of the seats, unique to the AMR. And you also have vivid red stitching for the AMR logo and a vivid red stripe at the 12 o'clock position on the steering wheel. You also have your 7-speed gear shift, your sports flat bottom steering wheel, sports seat configuration, and special badging underneath the gear shift and the sill plaques. Thank you again for joining us here at Miller Motorcars. I hope you enjoyed this review of the 2020 Aston Martin Vantage AMR 1 of 200 Special Edition. If you have any questions about the Vantage AMR or any other model in our inventory, please feel free to reach out to me, Justin Ashworth, at 203-629-4726, or my email address, jashworth@millermotorcars.com. Thank you again.